Mega Millions, 5, 5, 2026, Matrix 5 and Matrix 6. They're the same matrix, okay, just different ways of presenting the zeros as to which ones are important, okay. This is my 0 to 0 matrix. Got a 45-degree angle from each zero. Let's see what zeros it points at. These are my ledge lines, okay. Usually the ledge lines gives me the right amount of zeros, okay, that I need to get the 6 numbers, okay. So, as always, play on paper. This is for entertainment purposes only, okay. So, always want to play around the zeros. The zeros always have the winning numbers around them. You could combine two numbers that share the same zero to make a 2-digit number. For instance, this zero here and any zero you find around here, whether they're colored in or not. Let's take this one here, for example. Okay, 63. Okay, you can do diagonal. 68. Okay, horizontal. 19. Okay. Zero is no man's land, so as long as you have the zeros, you could have 10 zeros and a 9 here and a 1 down here in 11th position. That 19 would count, okay, because the zero connects them, okay. Any number that's next to the zero, this 2, this 8, this 5, this 9, this 6, this 6. The number next to that, 2, 9, 2, okay, 3, 6. Well, you have 68 here. Give it 22, 62, 69, 29, 39, okay. Even the 3's touching that, so 35. Could have a 35. We have it up here more plain now, 35, okay. These red zeros are red because I believe there's going to be winning numbers around these red zeros. Okay, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 zeros, 9 red zeros. Mega Millions sometimes is tricky. Sometimes one of these red zeros has nothing around it. I don't know which one. Okay, but 8 of these are going to be correct. All right. This is the 0 to 0. When a 0 points at another 0, it's telling me that 0 is important. Okay. You have 1, 2 zeros here pointing at this 0. Also, 3 zeros pointing at this 0, so it's not important. Yeah, that's the end. Made a mistake there, guys. Made a mistake. That should be red. And that one should be red. Okay, 0, 0 pointing at each other. Okay, so anyway, you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 zeros pointing at this 0. Highly important. So that's telling me this is going to be important. So now we have 10 zeros up there. Okay. The problem I have is with these ledge lines. How far away do I go from the ledge to color a 0 in? Okay. You should just color in the zeros that are right on the ledge. Okay. Okay. But then I found out that the ones close to the ledge also are included. So I started coloring those in too. I used to have doubles, like there should be a double number here. Should be a double number here. Should be a double number here. Possibly a double number here and here at the same time. Maybe these two zeros are using the same number, 24. There's 24s everywhere. There's 49s everywhere. 46, 64, okay? So there should be 2 numbers here, okay, in there somewhere. Should be 2 numbers there. But I'm not going to say, I'm just saying that, okay, because sometimes if I used to color them green, okay, but I have a green one with only 1 number. I hated that because, you know, I like to be right at least 95% of the time. So I just make them red now, and I'm still right 95% of the time. Okay, now 0 to 0 can cross-reference. Like this is important on this one. It's important on this one also. These 2 are important. These 2 are important on this one. This one's left out. Only 1. Well, you have 2 zeros pointing at that. So that's close to the ledge line. But we have a 57 up here, but I don't have that marked. Let's see, we don't have 57 down here. That's not marked either. So what is that one here? Could that be 25? Don't know. Oh, there's 25 here. So I don't know what. Zero's pointing at this one, 2 of them. That's important down here, but up here it's saying it's not. But it could be just close to the ledge line. Like I say, I have trouble figuring out which zeros, how close they have to be to the ledge line to count and to have a winning number around them. So I gave you 3 matrices, each one 2 different ways of identifying winning numbers. And we're going to find out with 5-5 draw, Mega Millions, which one of these matrices is the best. Here's my 0 to 0 matrix, ledge line matrix, okay. We'll see. Anyway, like I said, they're all different all the time. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 zeros. Next time we could have 5. We don't know. We don't know. Okay? But it's a lot less than 300 million to want to know that. If you take each one of these zeros, each one times 30 combinations around each one, that's 300. Okay, and then there'd be 299, 298, 297, 296, 295. All them numbers, all them, that meant you have to play 300 cards. Then 299, 298, 297, 296. But you're looking at 1,300 numbers, maybe 14 compared to 300 million. I play on paper. I play on paper. I can't even win on paper. Anyway, I have a problem. My problem is I love numbers, and I love to see how short I can make the matrix and include all the winning numbers. So that's my dilemma. You don't have to play. You don't have to come. This is just what I do. And yeah, I had to pay for that name on YouTube. All paid for, about $6,000 for all this crap. But I'm dedicated. I'm dedicated to losing. Anyhow, you guys play on paper. Have fun. See you.